Millions of people are underwater and behind on their mortgages right now. And I believe we're going to see this become a more prominent issue in 2023. So whether it's you, a friend, or a family member that finds themselves in this situation, don't worry. I'm going to go over some things in this video that's going to help and let you know your options. What's going on, guys? My name is Adam Alduwimi, and I'm the founder and CEO of Uprise Real Estate Partners. And so a lot of people at times, for whatever circumstances, get behind their mortgages or they find themselves underwater and they need help because they feel stuck. And so today I'm going to be going over some items and some things that you can do so you understand what all of your options are and you can make the best decisions for you and your family. Let's get into it. Number one, important thing to remember is do not panic. Do not panic. Anytime you're going through distress, you're going through a hard time, a lot of times fear and shame and regret and all these other type of emotions can overtake your logical mind. Well, now more than ever, it's important that you make wise decisions, right? And you think with a clear head. So don't panic because you are not alone and there is help. That's the number one thing to remember. Number two, speak to your lender about a loan modification or a forbearance. Yes, this is not, back in the day in 2007, 8, where banks were just kicking people out the houses. Because of what happened, banks don't want to have that label on themselves anymore. And so a lot of banks are willing to talk things out. They're willing to help you out and see if they can do anything on their end to change the terms of your loan to allow you to catch up and stay in that home. Also, forbearance, delaying your payments for a period of time, is something that some lenders offer as well. So, long story short, speak to your bank and see what options they can help you with and be honest and be transparent with them. Number three, see if you can get some government assistance. Yes, some government assistance. It helps nobody if we have a whole bunch of foreclosed markets on the market. It doesn't help the government, doesn't help your county. No one really benefits from that standpoint. And so seeing if you can qualify for any kind of government assistance overall for your finances, but also pertaining to your housing, is another avenue you can pursue. Now, something that you may want to consider but may not like is selling your home. Selling your home. Whether you realize it or not, you may have a ton of equity in your home because of inflation, because of home prices going up the last couple of years. And so even though you're behind on your payments and you may be, neck deep in debt, you might have a bunch of equity that if you sold your home, it can not only pay off your loan, pay off your back payments, and still leave you with some money to move on with your life. And if you're not in that situation and things are a little bit tight, then you still may need to sell your home because, stopping things now, stopping the hole from digging deeper might be better than having the debt increase month after month after month if you're still behind on your payments. So it may not feel good, you may not want to do it, but selling your home may be an option that's right for you and your family. Another idea that wasn't really prominent, 5 years ago, 10 years ago, even 20 years ago, is maybe you just need some additional income. Would some supplemental income help to getting you back on track? If so, you may want to think about renting out some of the rooms in your home, right? Airbnb style, vacation rental style, or long-term tenant style, that may be an idea. Bringing in a roommate, bringing in someone where you give them part of the house for a period of time, and now they're paying you fees and they're paying you rent for that time that they're staying. And so if you just need some supplemental income, you may want to think about renting out some space in your home. Now, hopefully you're not too far deep where you're credit has taken a big hit, but getting a personal loan is another avenue. Whether you get a personal loan from a banking institution to pay off what you have past due at your bank so you can get caught up, or whether you're getting a personal loan from a family member or a friend. It may be time to put the ego aside and do what you need to do to make sure that you're able to keep your home. Now, I don't like this next option, but sometimes you have to do what you have to do, and that is to claim for bankruptcy, right? If none of these other options are viable options for you, if you pursued all of them and you still, with your back against the wall, then you may need to speak to an attorney about what it would look like for you to file bankruptcy so that you can still keep your home and over time get your debts paid off. Now, no one loves having the label that they had to file bankruptcy, but I'm telling you, plenty of people have done it and come out the other side with flying colors because they paid their dues, they did what was necessary to get themselves back on track. And then the last tip or idea or option I have for you is moving in with family or friends, right? Moving in with family or friends. What do I mean by that? Yes, one, you could sell your home and then obviously move with family or friends to get back on track, save some money. Or you could rent your home out and move in with family or friends. So you could move out, try to charge a rent that's above what you're paying for your mortgage, right? And then move in with family or friends. And so obviously you're going to want to talk to a property management company or a realtor to determine if that's a feasible idea. But that is another idea that most people don't think about when they're underwater on their mortgage. Hey guys, if this video helped, please hit the like button if you loved it, and also subscribe. We would love to give you more content like this and stay engaged. We appreciate you, and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.